Hello, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Top 5 Pre-Announcement Niche Research of the Week. This is episode 64, so without further ado, let's get right into it. So, as you can see, I did some research, and most of them are still related to the war, Ukraine, Russia, and all the like. So, I'm not going to talk about this. I did a search marketplace US, and the first one, two, three, four, one, two, three, four, eight. The first eight designs, as you can see, are about the war, and this one is always there, so you can't even count it. So I'm not going to talk about any of this. So I'm instead going to talk about the niches that are upcoming or the events that are upcoming. So the first event that is upcoming in March, in April, the first event that is upcoming in April is April Fools, and there is April 1st. So I did a search for April Fool's Day in all marketplaces, and these are the top designs that popped up. Some of them are already selling, like this one, this one, this one, this one, and not bad. This one is $14.99, and it's actually already had 7 sales. This one too, 10 sales. So they're new shirts, and I already doing what this French marketplace, US marketplaces. So this way, scroll down. This one too has sold. So let me just do a quick scroll. You can see the designs that have sold. This one is actually funny. If you guys have noticed, there's a trend of designs about Biden. Like he's confused something. There's one that I spotted is about Halloween. It says Happy Halloween Day. It was actually designed for St. Patrick's Day. So that was actually funny. It sold a lot. I'm sure that that person who made that design is the person who's also making this design. Says April Fool's Day is cancelled this year because no prank is greater than the joke that is running this country right now. Okay, that is really, really political right there. I don't even want to talk about it. But anyway, people have already started purchasing it, and it's related to April Fool's Day. So that was niche number one, April Fool's Day. The next niche is in April. You know what? Let me open so I can show you where I'm getting it from. Let me open the social media holiday so I can show you where I'm getting it from. So I'm not more doing March because we're almost towards the end of March. What we should be focusing on is on April niches. So I skipped March and I'm now on April. So I talked about April Fool's Day. Actually, we have to now talk about National Stress Awareness. So as you can see, these stars here means that are very huge niches, very important niches you should take note of. So I did a search for stress, and these are the designs that popped up. So we have this one here, good S, no stress, one boo, no X, small circle, big checks. I don't even know what that means. Maybe it's from a music lyric or something. I don't know. If you know what it means or where the person got it from, because I see it here too, and this is the Italian marketplace and the French marketplace. So maybe it's something that is trending and people are buying it. I really don't know where they're getting it from. I look at this here again, the same thing in the German marketplace. So um, I really don't know where they're getting it from, but as you can see, it is trending. It's talking about stress and all the like. And you see it here again. Wow, this design. And let's see this. Yeah, it has sold to here, and this is the Italian marketplace. So I don't know what that design is all about, but obviously people are liking it, people are purchasing it. If you know where it's coming from, is it from a music lyric? Please let me know in the comment section below. So stress, bless stress and K-pop. This one has added K-pop to it. Obsessed, this design again. Now it's in the German marketplace. After this, I'm actually gonna do a search for it and see where it's coming from. Anyway, so this is it for stressing, national stress awareness again. Anyway, the same thing again, guys, different font. Anyway, I don't want to talk about this anymore. Like I said, I'm gonna do a search for it and find out what's up with it. Why are all the designs on most of the designs selling on Amazon that is about this. So our third niche is autism. Like I said, right here we can see Autism Awareness Day. So Autism Awareness Day, we have these designs, top designs that are already selling. So this one says, I don't speak much because I'm brilliant and I'm busy thinking. You have this one with a puppy. You also have this one with a, okay guys, this is infringing. Let's actually see if is the owner of, I think, the cat in the hat, if I've not been mistaken. Um, but if you are not the owner, please don't try to infringe, guys. I can easily recognize this heart, and I know for a fact that this person is not the brand owner of this. Let me not say I know for a fact. I'm guessing this person is not the owner of this. Who wrote about the cat in the hat. And if you are doing this, please desist from doing it, because your account will definitely be in trouble when they see you infringing like this. So, and that's why we're gonna also talk about deleted designs, because if they do things like this, that's why they get the designs deleted. So let's look at the other designs that are trending. So you see Ukraine has popped up here again. You have grandpa and grandson, autism here, elephants. This one is bears. So they're doing it different animals. This one is a dolphin. This one is a flower. So different designs. Are quite cute. This one is a shark. This one is a shark again, a bear again. So different things that are doing bear again. So the designs are quite cute. I knew dinosaur, a dino will not miss. Here is it. So if you want to do any design, definitely put dino into it, and it will definitely sell. Look at this. So it is selling. So for Valentine's Day, dinos was there. St. Patrick's Day, dinos was there. Dinosaur is like a template, if I can say, to make sales. Yeah. So if you've not been doing dinos, definitely include some dinos. Okay, so that was in niche number 3. Next niche is Earth Day. Let's take a look here. Scroll down. Stress Awareness Day. The first one is Stress Awareness Month and Stress Awareness Day. You have Earth Day right here. So Earth Day designs. I've already spoken about this design before. This one says save the bees. Of course, the Earth is flat. How else would it stay on the turtle? Okay, this is quite funny. This is definitely funny, guys. I don't know where this is coming from. Anyway, it's funny and it's a good design. People are already purchasing it for Earth Day. This design is so beautiful. Oh wow, guys, these are animals. I see a lion here, a zebra, a koala here, an orca. All beautiful animals on top of the love. You have the earth there with some flowers. It's quite cute. Anyway, this one's yeah, I've spoken about this design before. Go Planet is your Earth Day, and save the planet. So anything green, yeah, I've also spoken about this in previous videos. So as you can see, Earth Day, so many cute designs. Oh wow, this one is quite funny. Anyway, that's it for Earth Day recycling here. Moving to the next niche. Next niche is book day. So I think it's our last niche, fifth niche, World Book Day, and we'll have designs about books. This one says drink coffee, read books, be happy. When I think about books, I touch myself. My shelf. Okay, my shelf, guys, my shelf. All right. So, or abibliophobia, hatred for something, the fear of running out of books to read. Really? I thought it's phobia is hatred, like hatred for books. That's what I thought it was, but it says it's the fear of running out of books to read. Okay, so that's what I do. I read books and I know things. Yeah, I've been saying this design training in the days of Game of Thrones. Yeah, this font and all the likes. They did several. I know things. They say I grill and I know things. Yeah. So this you can put it for books, and as you can see, it's really selling. It's in the US marketplace. This one says, books and coffee make me happy. I things I do in my spare time: buy books, read books, research books, talk about books, review books, rearrange books. Wow, that's quite obsessive. Anyway, that was the last niche. Now I'm gonna talk about deleted designs. You know, so many people are infringing, like this one right here. Gucci, guys, are you kidding me? Why would it be removed? These are reasons why they just pull out your account. I can tell you for a fact because I've gotten my account deleted before. So I can tell you what in fact I did wrong, and by then I didn't even know what I was doing wrong. I was just um, testing the waters, and it got my account deleted. But right now, I definitely know what to do. So I'll definitely tell you that you shouldn't do this because it's definitely gonna take your account, make your account suspended. So this one says, don't worry, I've had both my shots and one extra just to be safe. So maybe they included this in the youth clothing, because when you include things about shots and drinking like that, everything is gonna be deleted. So this one says, but I don't know why. Maybe it's related to a cartoon or so. This one too, I don't know why it's deleted. And the word norm is a trademark, so maybe they used norm, maybe, I don't know. So if you want to make a design like this, definitely check your trademarks and make sure they are not using words that are going to get your design deleted. So these are the other ones. I'm just going to do a quick scroll so you can see Grammy. Yeah, guys, you can. I don't think uh, although you might say Grammy is made like a word that you can use for your grandmom, but definitely I think Grammy is trademark, like a word that is trademark. So you really have to be careful the words that you're using. And I think this one is related to Scream, murder scenes, and things like that. Now that I've said that YouTube may censor my account. Anyway, um, let's move ahead. So here are other designs that have been deleted. I'm trying to know the reason why they were deleted. And okay, guys, look at this one too, Navy SEAL. So you can do that too. We talked about I'm sure this one is related to football. Um, Here again, EMDA, if you understand what I mean. So definitely don't do that. Don't include it on youth if you're doing that. So guys, I'm just gonna do a quick scroll so you can see the designs that have been deleted. This one is March, remove March 20th. So not so far away. Learn from what they're doing and don't do it again. So the designs are too many, guys. If you have flying research, you can definitely log in and take a look at all the designs that have been deleted, but I can't be able to do it all of it in this video. And by the way, the links to flying research is in the description below. If you're interested in discount, the discount code is also next to the link. So that's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.